Hey guys, so this is a super quick video where I just wanted to tell you guys about comments. Comments are basically notes that you can make while writing a program. When you want to write a comment, just start the comment with a hashtag and then write any note you want to write. For example, I can write hashtag, this is a program about printing things. Just keep in mind that your note can only stay on one line. So I can't write hashtag this is and then go to the next line and write a program. However, I can use a new hashtag on the next line and write hashtag this is and go to the next line and write hashtag a program. Comments are not a part of your code and will not affect your code in any way. They are also not necessary. They are just for you to keep track of your thoughts and make notes if you want to. That's all for comments.